Want to give your AI assistant the power to send SMS messages directly from your Android phone? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to connect the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway MCP Server to Msty Claw, so you can start messaging instantly. Msty Claw connects to the Ozeki Android SMS MCP Server through the MCP protocol, acting as the client while your Android phone serves as the server. When you send an SMS, the message travels from Msty Claw to your Android phone via MCP, and your phone forwards it through the mobile network to reach the recipient. Msty Claw is an AI chat application that lets you interact with large language models through a clean desktop interface and can be extended with external tools. An Android SMS MCP server runs directly on your smartphone and exposes SMS functionality as structured tools that any compatible AI client can use to send real text messages. To use this solution, download and install the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway app on your Android phone from the provided URL or QR code. Before you can use the MCP SMS server, you need to install the Ozeki SMS client on your Android device. The app will serve as the local SMS gateway that Msty Claw connects to over your Wi-Fi network. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app on your Android device and tap the MCP tab in the bottom navigation bar. Then tap the toggle switch to start the MCP server and approve any permission requests that appear. The toggle will switch from stop to running, and the API endpoint URL will appear below, which you should copy for configuring Msty Claw in the next step. Open Msty Claw and navigate to the Tools section in Settings to register a new external tool server. Fill in the MCP server details with the remote URL endpoint from your Android device and click Connect to activate the SMS tools. Start a new chat in Msty Claw and ask the AI to send an SMS to a specific phone number. Msty Claw will call the Send SMS tool and process the request. You may be prompted to approve the tool use before proceeding. Confirm the action to allow the AI to send the SMS. You will see the result of the Send SMS tool call in the chat window. A successful response confirms that the message has been passed to the Android gateway. The following video shows how to check the gateway logs in the Ozeki SMS Client app. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app on your Android device and navigate to the Settings tab in the bottom navigation bar to access the application settings. Tap the Log option to view the request and response history. You have successfully configured the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway MCP Server with Msty Claw, turning your Android device into a local SMS gateway accessible over your network. Now you can send text messages to any phone number using simple language prompts, with all traffic routed directly through your device's mobile connection, no cloud API or third-party service required.